Hello? Is somebody there? Hello? Morning, you. I have a gun. Ah! What the?
Yeah, that sounds amusing. Sounds like a lot of fun. I don't know. I don't know if I could do that. No. No, I started this new book tonight. It's really funny. Oh, speaking of, the strangest thing happened tonight. While I was reading, this noise came out of the closet. It was like someone opened the door and I heard it squeak. So I go over there, I open the door, and on the ottoman is my shoulder bag with all the stuff spilled out. No, I didn't see anything that would make me think someone was in the house, but I just thought that was weird. Yeah, I did order something from Amazon earlier, needed my credit card, so I don't know, maybe I forgot to put it away and hang it up on the door like I always do. But anyways, I thought that was weird. So I think I'm gonna head off to bed because I'm really tired. But I'll see you in 2 weeks. All right, love you. Good night. Bye.